Are you in search for a lawn services expert to take care of your lawn? If so, you've come to the right place. We are proud to be the top lawn services company in your area. See why in the following video.
Tired of spending your whole weekends mowing your lawn? Looking for the best full-service lawn maintenance company in your area? You don't need to spend hours on the phone trying to find the best lawn care professionals. We are right here, at your fingertips. Do you love gardening but hardly have the time? We take care of your lawn so that you can find time doing the things you love. We deliver an array of quality, efficient and timely services, from regular lawn maintenance to mowing lawns, trimming shrubs, spreading fresh mulch, weeding, replanting flower beds, etc. Our rates are very affordable. When you hire us for a lawn care services job, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Experience the quality of our services. Hire us once and you will keep us as your #1 lawn care maintenance specialist.
As you saw in this video, we can perfectly care for your lawn. So give us a call now. We look forward to talking with you.